What is going on, guys? Chris Rudnik here. And if you guys have been watching the last few videos, you know that I decided to move to Connecticut. Now, I wanted to move to Connecticut ever since like February, but it was all not possible because shops and everything, they're very difficult to get. But my buddy Tom, he told me he was buying a new shop and all this stuff. And he was like, hey, if you want a spot, you can have it. I'm like, well, say less. So I am officially proud to announce that I'm moving into Tom's shop. I'm honestly stoked because I feel like the best era of honestly both of our channels was when we were together making videos in the new Milford shop. So I'm pretty stoked on this. I'm really excited. As you can see, we already started to get some of the cars in here. I didn't expect this one to be here, but hey, she's here right now. And we're gonna be cleaning this thing up today. I wanna get it outside and actually show you how dirty it is. Like, dude, there's like inches of, not inches, but you know what I mean. There is filth all over this car. And I know Matt over here. Matt, how old are you?
About to be 23.
You're about to be 23. How many burnouts have you done in your life? 0. This dude has done 0 burnouts. Now me, coming from Hager Garage, you doing 0 burnouts is literally insane to me. Like, that's not even real. I can't even count how many burnouts I've done. They're like not cool anymore.
Some people get front-wheel drive cars for their first car.
Saabs. Some people get Saabs and China phones. Some people get, dude, this dude has a China phone and he has a China connector.
No.
Do you have the charger with you?
No, I don't.
Oh my God.
This is my Xiaomi Redmi.
That's insane. So you're automatically always being spied on from the China government?
No, it's Appo and stuff.
It's what?
Appo. A-P-P-O. That's the Apple knockoff.
Oh, I didn't even know there was an Apple. Who would, regardless, we're not gonna talk about phones. So as you can see, this is the shop. I don't wanna like make this the whole video and stuff and drag it out, but here it is. This is the little office space right here. I'm a little nervous. This Mac's been sitting there for quite some time now, just loading. Hopefully it didn't break. Oh, maybe it's got an update. I don't know, but I just threw the desk in here. We just emptied out the trailer and stuff. And this is obviously not how it's gonna look forever. I wanna do some cool stuff in here, but regardless, that's that for now. Now it's time to move the trailer, put that back, and then to get this outside, I wanna start cleaning this pig, cause, ooh, she's dirty. And I need to see like how bad the paint actually is. You can't see under all this filth. She's a stinky girl. I wanna touch it. I'm feeling in the mood for it. Dude, I wanna grab it, stop. Here, Matt, take this, take it.
Now we're turn that fucking thing off. Yeah, we're running inside.
All right, guys, well, first things first is we're gonna dry, dude, don't, please. You just hit me. I hope it gets in your eye. Egg it. Anyways, we're gonna dry ice this. I got the ecosystem in my ear, and we're ready to go here.
All right, what are we cleaning first? What do you want to see? What's gonna be the most exciting to watch?
Not the, oh, the radiator, because the radiator's staying in there. That looks nice, right? ISIS? I'm getting a new battery. Oh God, that doesn't hurt your ears?
You have to remember something.
Wow.
You're a pussy.
That, you're telling me that doesn't hurt your ears?
It hurts a little bit. It doesn't feel good.
It's ear piercing.
Come here, get in here.
You think it'll take off all this?
Yeah.
Tommy using the dry ice machine right in fuck. I was wondering what he was doing. Anyways, we got the car outside now. You guys can get like a better look. This is like the first time you can actually see it during the day. It is just so crusty. Like, this thing was actually sitting in a field for about 3 years, which is kind of crazy to think about. We're gonna definitely have to get a new seal for this. I'm pretty sure like Nissan Parts has like all of that stuff, so we're gonna look into that. But this thing is just caked. I think we're gonna have to wash this thing multiple times. But as far as the interior goes, the interior is really not that bad. I'm stoked. Adam LZ gave me a steering wheel, so we're gonna be putting that in this thing. Ooh, it's got a radio that, oh, I was about to say, what the hell? But this window is jank. If you look at this, yep, yeah, just kind of help it. And then if it's right, it stays. I think the other one works. Yep. Oh. What the fuck, dude? It's dropping the bass. Come on, really? Oh no, both windows are messed up. That's sick, actually. All right, yeah, we'll fix that. That's not a big deal. I guess this is an extra shift boot. But I mean, dude, the dash, super clean. The steering wheel is gonna be gone, so that's not a big deal. Love the seats, love the rear seats. Everything looks pretty sweet here. Shift's good. Drives fine. I mean, you guys saw Tommy do a burnout in yesterday's video, so the thing obviously works. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try to wash this thing. It's gonna take a while, but my buddies at Import Works gave me a gift, so let me open that. So Import Works, they sent me this a while ago. I didn't have to open it because they've been sending me care packages every now and then that I just had it all at the shop. But I saw this, I'm like, okay, let me grab it. Let me bring it to Connecticut because I already have a bunch of detail stuff. So rip this open. Please, Import Works, tell me you got me on that soap. Tell me you got me on that soap. Your subscribers can use 20% with the code JUNK. Dang, foam bed. Is it me or did they change up their labels and stuff? This looks pretty sick. So we got the wash and shine, which is perfect. Rubber plastic vinyl, good. Ooh, top coat pink. Ceramic detailer, not bad. Yes, bunch of wheel cleaner. Always need wheel cleaner, especially when we put those LMGT2s on the GTR. Sick, and they're non-acidic. That's cool. And then just a bunch of little goodies. Ooh, look at that. She's not bad. Dang, I'm really liking the care package. Import Works, really loving it. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna steal Tommy's pressure washer, and we're gonna get right to cleaning this thing because it is filthy. Don't you wish wet cars would always just look this good?
It is if you get a good paint job.
I guess if you like buff it and stuff, like that's what it's supposed to look like, right? Just glass. Dang. I hate these too. This like rots out your fenders and stuff. Every car I have has a cracked windshield. Dude, the Colorado's getting bad, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty soon that thing's just gonna fall out. Get a little rust starting right there. That ain't good. Well, the first part of this job is done. We rinsed it. Now we are gonna soap it, wash it, rinse it, soap it, wash it, rinse it, and then we'll spray the wheels.
Bop it.
Bop it, twist it. Foam bath, orange wash and shine.
So
Ignorance.
jackass.
Ignorance. You probably should have just put it right here. Oh well, this is funnier, I guess. Oh, this is literally my favorite part of washing a car, just watching it turn white. We have washed down this car for the past 10 minutes and it's so crazy because you can feel how just gross the whole car is. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna rinse this off right now and just start the whole process over until it's clean enough to be presentable, because this right now, I mean, honestly, it doesn't like, the GoPro makes it look pretty sick, especially because it's like still wet and stuff, so we won't even really know how good of a job we did until it's dry. But let's rinse this off and soap her up. All right, so we just cleaned the car. To be honest, it's, wait, floor it real quick. Okay, so the clutch isn't slipping that bad. Maybe you just don't know how to drive it. Dude, I just watched you slip it major.
Dude, this thing
You're
is
a slipping god,
how
dude.
how do I move the mirror?
Dude, I don't know.
I can't see anything up here.
You should have adjust. First thing on your driving test is adjust your mirrors before you drive. You already failed. You're slipping still. Matt wanted to drive it, so we gotta get a battery. Actually, this battery is so dead that if it shuts off, we're fucked. If he stalls it, it's over. Like, we don't have a jump bag or anything.
Yeah, I have no experience with hill climbing, hill starts or whatever.
Oh, you've never like really left Florida like once or twice in your life.
Yeah, this is the second. Well, I mean,
This dude has seen hills maybe 3 times in his life, so hopefully it doesn't stall or anything, and we'll be good. But we haven't eaten all day, and it's 3:30, so we're gonna get some food and stuff. But 240's driving down the road. We checked the oil, so we don't know the reliability of this car. No one does, because it's been sitting for 3 years. What?
Nah, just BMW wagon.
Oh, wagon. Congratulations, Matt. You made it here, dude.
Yes, sir.
You didn't stall a thing.
No.
We got the new Value Craft in there. $100 for this thing. Shout out to my commercial account, but what's going on there?
Dude, the metal is so like eaten.
Oh, that it won't stop it, so you gotta use like the wrench.
Yeah, that's good.
Sick. It's gonna feel so good to actually be able to just drive this car instead of jumping it and moving it.
You need what the heck is this?
What are you talking about? That's how it's strapped down.
We don't use these in Florida.
This dude in his Saab is so annoying. He has been critiquing this car every single way. What?
Okay, it's a case of, like I said, don't meet your heroes. I love S chassis. I think they're super cool. That's a piece of shit.
What's a piece of shit?
That engine's a piece of shit.
It's a KA.
It's just slow.
You drive a Saab. You act like it's the fastest thing around.
It was making 300 wheels.
It was okay. It was never making 300. No, I drove. I felt it. That
700 pounds.
That never made. I'm sorry, dude. I'm starting to think he's just too picky. That's what I'm starting to think.
I'm spoiled by the Euro goodness. Everything Euro is great.
Sobs. I didn't even show you the car, but I mean, we scrubbed this thing 2 or 3 times here, and you can still see like it's just, there was so much filth just sitting on this car for years. What, do you need a signature? Yeah, this thing has just been sitting with filth for so many years. Like a good buff job will really help the hood and stuff, but obviously for like paint fade and stuff like that, it just needs to be resprayed, and all that duct tape, we're gonna have to scrape all that off and stuff. And the trunk is a bit gross. Like when you were washing it, you can literally feel all of the grit and all of the dirt. So I don't know, it looks a lot better for sure in camera. In the camera, like if you just step back, like thing looks fire, but in person she's a little rough. I ain't gonna lie. Not complaining by any means. I absolutely love this car, even if Matt doesn't. I mean, I love it.
I think it's cool. It's awesome. I expected more of the S chassis.
So we got to the shop a little while ago, and I'm sitting here and I'm talking to Matt, and I'm like, Matt, what color should I like paint these walls? Because like the walls are kind of dirty and stuff. I just want this to feel like new and exciting. And I was like, I'm thinking gray walls, nice black trim around that window, trim right there. It's gonna look pretty good. And Matt's like telling me colors can change your mood. Is this like a known thing? Like a lot of people know this?
Yeah.
So you're saying if you own a red car, you drive more aggressively?
Yeah, because you're surrounded by the color.
You're telling me if I have a yellow room, I'm gonna be more hungry.
I think it's more hungry, or you're more restless. I don't know.
I know blue at night like makes it hard to sleep. Like if you're watching anything blue or blue lights, like it's more challenging to fall asleep.
Bright blue, yeah.
But I don't think red makes you more of an aggressive person. Tommy must have had red in his room the entire way.
Yeah, I mean, I googled it because we were just
okay, go ahead.
Red is known to raise blood pressure, heartbeat, and irritability. It is a great color to use for socializing, especially around Christmas, and we suggest that you keep this color to special rooms as opposed to rooms that are meant to be relaxed.
Look up gray.
Gray.
Yeah, I'm curious about gray, because I think gray walls would look sick. I'm thinking gray, black trim right there, black trim there, black around there, and black. I don't know what the fuck to do with that door. Get a new one.
Gray colors. Too much gray creates a feelings of sadness and depression, also feelings of loneliness and isolation. You'd feel like shit.
What? No way is a color gonna make me feel like shit. I mean, fuck the internet. That can't be real. A color? If I'm sitting here editing, I'm like, wow, the walls are making me real depressed here.
Well, I mean, what the color is...
What is white? Supposed to be cheerful, joyful? I know white makes a room look bigger, but I don't give a fuck about that.
So white just makes the building look brighter and bigger.
Yeah, I mean, that's cool for filming, but this is just going to be like an editing station and whatever, you know? I don't know. I think I'm just going to paint them gray. Maybe, I mean, if I guess I start feeling like I'm going to slit my wrists, I'm just going to...
I don't think you're going to do that. But
I guess I'm going to go back to a different color.
Over a period of time, I feel like it will give you negative content.
Which one makes you horny?
Let me Google this. Which color wall makes you horny here? Red and green.
All right, so if you guys aren't horny, just paint your walls red and green. That's not, that they don't even go together. Imagine red walls with the green trim.
Apparently red improves attention to detail, increases caution, and women find it sexually.
Gotta get Courtney in here.
And green evokes feelings of relaxation and stimulates creativity. Make it green.
Green?
Green.
Paint it green and give it away? Should I paint my room green?
Don't go like bright like neon or you hate your life.
Oh, green? Tommy's gonna come
like
in here and say, what the fuck you doing, retard?
Pistachio?
Pistachio? I'm gonna look up colors. I really want to paint this. It's bothering me. I'm depressed in here. So for the past hour, me and Matt have just been trying to walk around, try to figure out what I'm gonna do in the shop. Like I think I want to redo the floor, and I'm probably gonna keep the walls white because in a shop that kind of makes sense because it makes the space look bigger, makes it look brighter. And to be honest, these lights, I mean, the shop looks pretty bright. Let me know what you guys think of like the lighting and like the echo, but I think the echo will really decrease once we have like a lift, we have a workbench, we have all of that stuff around in here to actually like have the noise bounce off of stuff so it's not constantly echoing. But I think me and Matt, considering we're in CT, I think we're gonna be taking the Evo out on the way home. I wanted to upload this video here, but the Wi-Fi is not too great here yet. So I think we're gonna run home real quick, but dang, dude, I haven't actually gotten to like drive this like in a cool place yet. So I'm really excited to drive it. Maybe we'll even make a video on it if we find a decent enough roads and Matt can experience the Connecticut journey. So I think we're gonna end the video right here. I wanted to get some coilovers for this thing today, but all of Tommy's parts and stuff, they're still at the old shop and we just weren't able to go there today. So hopefully tomorrow we can go there. I think he has a bunch of things that I can probably buy for this thing. I think I might end up actually keeping the R32 wheels. Like Matt, what do you think on the 32 wheels? Why are you standing like that? You're like, it's like standing like muscularly. Like, but yeah, let me know. Once we get low, get some new tires, maybe a wheel spacer, this thing will look pretty sick. We have to get these things off ASAP though. Oh my, Tommy said these aren't stock, but who would put these on aftermarket? Dude, that's crazy. Ah, that hurts so bad. You want to try? Give her a go, dude.
Nah, it's on there. Dude, it's like bolted, or no?
No, it's not bolted.
Yeah, just get a screwdriver.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Yeah, good car wash.
Dude, we watched this thing for like an hour. It didn't even show.
Oh, dude, it's
double-sided.
No, it's adhesive on there. Like, look, you can peel it back.
We'll break the adhesive, dude. Yo! Strong hands, baby! Yo.
That felt so wrong.
Did it? Why? These are so bad for cars. If you guys put this on, you're an asshole.
It's fine.
Well, yeah.
Now this looks like shit.
Well, no shit. We're gonna have to peel it off, dude. We need a plastic razor and just go to town.
You have fun with that. I'll pull them off.
Let's see if you can pull this one off. Dang, you got the last one off like kind of easy compared to this.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get the leading edge or something.
Well, regardless, guys, hopefully we can get those coilovers at the very least tomorrow. I would love to lower this thing a little bit, and we need to really start piecing up what we need for that S14 because it didn't come with the intake manifold and exhaust manifold. So we got to get a turbo manifold, we got to get an intake manifold, we got to get a turbo and stuff for that. So I don't know, I would love to go shopping at Papa Tom's place because I know that dude has literally everything under the sun for every Japanese car. So with that being said, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Me and Matt, we're gonna go rage some back roads in the Evo. Hopefully we don't get pulled over.